How to split screen on Samsung Galaxy A05. Okay, so let's get try it. For example, in this video I'm gonna split screen Google Chrome and YouTube. In the first step, I want to open the YouTube, then go to the home screen like this, and open the recent app and tap on the icon of YouTube, and you can tap on open in split screen view like this. And here in the bottom option you can scrolling and select the another app you want to open. For example, I want to open the Google Chrome like this. Okay, just like this. And now you can split screen and multitasking like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.